To give your viewers a deeper look into how this type of setup operates, here is an expanded voiceover script and description. This version breaks down the underlying infrastructure, explaining why it doesn't need hardware, how the pooling works, and what happens to the rewards behind the scenes. Video voiceover script. Let's pull back the curtain on what's actually happening behind the dashboard of platforms like decash as seen in Video Project. When we talk about cloud mining, the biggest question is always, where is the actual mining happening? Instead of you buying an expensive ASIC rig, setting up ventilation, and dealing with massive electricity bills at home, the platform hosts massive data centers filled with dedicated mining hardware. When you acquire hash rate on the app, you are essentially renting a microscopic slice of that massive, collective computational power. The platform takes your rented hash rate and pools it with thousands of other users to solve complex cryptographic puzzles on various blockchain networks. Because the pool's total computational power is so high, it successfully validates blocks and earns network rewards much more consistently than an individual miner could. Once those blocks are solved, the protocol automatically distributes the block rewards back to the users. This is why you see various balances ticking up in real time on your screen for assets like Digibyte, NEAR, or TON. The platform's software layer handles all the complex chain switching and pool allocations automatically. Essentially, it acts as a user-friendly bridge. The data center handles the heavy industrial lifting. The smart contracts distribute the rewards proportionally based on your rented hash rate, and you manage it all directly from a mobile or web interface. Video description, ready to paste. Title: The Architecture of Cloud Mining. What happens behind the dashboard? Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of a cloud mining interface? In this video, we move past the basic buttons and explain the industrial infrastructure that powers platforms like decash as shown in Video Project 5.mp4. Deep dive topics covered. The data center infrastructure. How remote mining farms replace the need for noisy, heat-generating home ASIC setups and massive electricity overhead. Hash rate virtualization. The process of breaking down industrial computing power into digital units, THVS, that users can rent remotely. Mining pool mechanics. Why aggregating computational power increases the statistical probability of successfully solving blocks and securing steady network rewards. Automated reward distribution. How the platform's backend automatically splits block rewards and updates your multi-token portfolio in real time. The role of the interface. How the application serves as an administrative dashboard for monitoring hardware efficiency that is physically located miles away. Here is an even more detailed, comprehensive expansion. This version breaks the process down into distinct technical phases: infrastructure, virtualization, pooling, and settlement, giving your viewers an advanced look at how the entire system operates from end to end. Video voiceover script. If you really want to understand how a platform like decash operates as seen in Video Project 5.mp4, we have to look at the process in 4 distinct stages: infrastructure, virtualization, mining pools, and localized token settlement. First is the physical infrastructure. Somewhere in the world, there are massive, industrial-grade data centers. These facilities are filled with rows of specialized mining hardware, like ASICs or GPU rigs, running 24 hours a day. These machines require high-voltage power grids, heavy-duty industrial cooling systems, and constant physical maintenance. Second is hash rate virtualization. The platform takes the massive aggregate computing power generated by all those physical machines and converts it into a digital commodity. They break this raw power down into measurable units, like megahashes or terahashes per second. When you use the platform, you aren't buying a physical machine. You are buying a digital contract for a specific slice of that virtualized computing power. Third is the mining pool. Individual